Aloha and boya there in the webs. Today I'm using the Dreo oven, cooking some crispy chicken thighs using the chef mode from the Dreo oven. All right, let's go ahead and get these chicken thighs going here. Again, using the chef mode, enter. Go into poultry, enter. Doing chicken thighs, enter. Then you follow these steps where to put the probe, right? Very cool. And then if you forget and you press go, it's going to tell you to fill the tank up with water, which I think is genius because that makes a big difference and is the big differentiator between an air fryer and this multi-cook oven. And here we go. This is the 100% chef mode recipe. And I have to tell you, listen, it's crispy. It really is. All right, I sliced it up. And this, it tasted crunchy. It sounded crunchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a bite. It's crunchy. It has flavor. I didn't marinate it. I didn't dry out the chicken skin. I just did follow the recipe, which will be in the description. Put it straight into the air fryer after I coated it with the mixture, the dry mixture, and it is good. Gotta admire the technology. Yes, it costs $250, but look what you get. Okay, look at those juices. Okay, look at those juices, and listen. That's crunchy. Roll it at the high temp, 450 for 1 more minute. And this is what it looked like. It definitely is extra crispy. I can see the extra bubbles on there. So maybe that would be it. I'll just leave it in there and let it rest. And I think that was in it for me. But personally, I wouldn't mind the original chef mode. I just wanted it actually a little bit more crispy. I did 1 minute. And then I know I'm going to eat one right now. And I'm going to warm up some more later down the line. Like, you know, keep it at room temp. But probably like in an hour or so. Because that's how I eat. So, you know, I probably will leave it at chef mode. And then when I put it in the refrigerator, crisp up that skin. Just FYI, there's a lot of things you can do. But I trust that chef mode now. It's good. And I would follow the chef mode recipe.